Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting our hands on a car that shatters expectations, the all-new 2025 BMW M5 Touring. Yes, you heard that right, a high-performance wagon from the legendary M division. Buckle up, as we explore what makes this beast unique. Performance. Under the hood of the M5 Touring lies a monstrous twin-turbocharged V8 engine, churning out a staggering horsepower figure. Insert exact HP figure when revealed. That translates to earth-shattering acceleration, launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending, insert 0 to 60 miles per hour time, seconds. But this wagon isn't just about brute force. BMW's M engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension and steering for razor-sharp handling, making it a blast to carve up twisty roads. All-wheel drive ensures you put all that power down effectively, no matter the weather. Key features. But the M5 Touring isn't just about speed. It offers impressive practicality too. With the rear seats folded, you get a massive cargo space, perfect for hauling gear for a weekend getaway or even a serious business trip. And those rear seats? They're surprisingly spacious and comfortable, ensuring your passengers won't complain during long journeys. BMW doesn't skimp on the tech either. The M5 Touring boasts a digital instrument cluster, a massive head-up display, and a cutting-edge infotainment system with all the bells and whistles. You can customize drive modes to suit your needs, from comfortable cruising to heart-pounding track days. Design. The M5 Touring's design is a head-turner. It maintains the sleek lines of the standard 5 Series but adds aggressive M-specific touches like enlarged air intakes, a sporty rear diffuser, and beautiful M badging. It's a perfect blend of elegance and muscle, a true wolf in sheep's clothing. Unique selling points. Let's face it, there aren't many high-performance wagons on the market. The M5 Touring occupies a unique space, offering practicality and thrilling performance in one stunning package. It's a car for the driving enthusiast who also needs the space for an active lifestyle. Whether you're carving up canyons or hauling the family on a road trip, the M5 Touring does it all, and does it in style. Outro. So, if you're looking for a car that breaks the mold, a car that offers exhilarating performance without sacrificing utility, then the 2025 BMW M5 Touring might just be your perfect match. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of this amazing wagon. If you have any questions,